This handmade paper garland is quick and easy to make with just a few supplies. It's the perfect sewing project for beginners or with little ones, and makes a beautiful, inexpensive Christmas decoration. You will need a sewing machine and thread, paper or card, fabric or thread scissors, and some paper scissors or a paper punch. For optional hanging loops, you'll need 40 centimeters of ribbon or lace. Cut your chosen shape out of your card or paper. I'll show you the two different versions that I've made. For this one, I used scraps of card that matched nicely. For the optional loops, cut 2 lengths of ribbon or lace, 20 centimeters each. Fold the first length in half and tuck the raw edges between 2 pieces of card. With the lace end in first, sew along the middle of the sandwiched card pieces. Make a few back stitches at the beginning to secure, and I like to set my stitch length to about 3 or bigger. Once you've reached the end of the first shape, you can prepare the next and leave a few stitches in between. You can of course use single shapes for the rest of the garland, but if you use 2, I'll show you a magic extra step at the end. And you can see my little boy, who's just 10, loved making this garland too. This is the sheet music star version I also made. And don't forget, if you're adding loops, to repeat this step for the last shape. Now for that magic extra step. If you've used 2 shapes along the garland, you can fold them open to make the whole garland 3-dimensional. I hope you enjoy sewing this simple little garland, and just let me know in the comments below if you have any questions.